In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. If you've ever opened a presentation on another computer and your text looked different, that's usually because the original fonts weren't available. Embedding fonts solves that by packaging the fonts inside your PowerPoint file so your slides look consistent everywhere. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work with. This works with a brand new deck or one you've already created. With your presentation open, go to the File tab in the top left corner. That takes you into the Backstage view where you'll find all your file level settings and options. On the left side, scroll down and click Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which controls how the app behaves behind the scenes. In that window, select Save from the left panel. The Save section is where we set how your presentation is stored and shared. On the right, scroll until you see the section called Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. This is where the font settings live. Check the box that says Embed fonts in the file. As soon as you turn that on, you'll see two choices for how much font data to include. If you choose to embed only the characters used in the presentation, PowerPoint will keep the file size smaller. This is perfect when you're just sharing for viewing and no one needs to change the text. If you select Embed All Characters, PowerPoint includes the full font set. The file size can grow a bit, but it's the best option if someone else might need to edit the slides or type new content using the same fonts. Pick the option that fits your needs, then click OK to apply the changes. To finalize it, save your presentation again so the fonts are actually written into the file. You can use Save to update the current file, or save as if you want to keep an original copy without embedded fonts. A couple of quick tips. Embedding multiple decorative fonts can increase file size, so be strategic. Some fonts have licensing restrictions and can't be embedded. If that happens, PowerPoint may notify you and you might swap to a similar embeddable font. For peace of mind, test the file on another device or send it to a colleague to confirm everything displays correctly. That's all you need to ensure your fonts appear exactly as designed on any device, keeping your presentation polished and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.